How are you? Are you fine? Yes, you are fine because you are study at home. So you are very fine because you are safe from corona. Okay? So we are start today practice set 7.1. We have completed the six chapters of the maths 2. Only the construction chapter is remains. Then all chapters are completed. Okay, so today we are start practice set 7.1 and problem number 1 to 5. So let me go to start problem number 1 in practice set 7.1. Find the volume of cone. What you want to find out? Volume of cone. If the radius of its base is 1.5. So all of you know very well cone shape. So that cone, the base is having circular shape. So they are given radius is 1.5 centimeter and its perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. Okay. So solution. The radius of cone R is equal to 1.5 centimeter. The radius of cone R is equal to 1.5 centimeter. This is given information. Then perpendicular height is given 5 centimeter. So what you want to find out? So you want to find out volume. So in paper you first write what is given. Given is radius of cone 1.5 centimeter. Perpendicular height 5 centimeter. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3 we can write as it is. Pi value is not given, so you are taken 22 upon 7. Because if pi value is not given, then you can take anything. So here is I take 1 upon 3. This is the formula. Pi value is not given, so I am taken 22 upon 7. Radius is given 1.5 centimeter. So r square. So 1.5 into 1.5. Then height is 5 centimeter. So I give here 5. Okay. Then 3 is divided to 1.5. You get 0.5. Then another divide is not possible. So here is we are getting this 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 0.5. So 22 into 0.5 you get 1.1 into 1.5 into 5. Then you are get the product 82.5. Then denominator 7 is remain. So 7 is divided to 82. 7 1s are 7, 1. 12 is remain. 7 1s are 7. 12 minus 7, what is remain? 5. The decimal points 7 7s are 49. Such a way you are getting 11.785. Means this 7 is divided at 7 1s are 7. So here is 1. 8 minus 7, what is remains? 1. And here is 2. This become 12. 7 1s are 7. 12 minus 7, what is remains? 5. Here is decimal point. And this 5 is become 55. 7 7s are 49. 55 minus 49, 6 is remain. 0. 7 8s are 56. What is remains? 4. Then 7 5s are 35. Such a way you are getting volume of cone is 11.785. Are you understand? Anyone doubts? See, when you want to find out volume, then you are write the unit in cube. So this is given centimeter. So here is I write centimeter cube. If this is given in meter, I can write is meter cube. Okay. So 11.785. So 11.79 centimeter cube. Then we are going to see problem number 2. Find the volume of sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. All my students, you must be do work that you can write the formula which is given in these 7 chapters. That all formula you can write on a cardboard in words and read it when you are going to sleep. At before going to sleep, you read this formula and then sleep, and that can be do you every day. Then this formula you are very well known. Okay, so you may do it. Find the volume of sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. So you want to find out volume of sphere. So what is given? Diameter is given. Diameter of sphere is 6 centimeter. So radius is half of the diameter. You know very well the radius is half of the diameter. So half of the diameter, so d upon 2. So 2 upon 6 you get 3. So its radius r is equal to 3 centimeter. Diameter of sphere is 6 centimeter. Its radius r is equal to 3 centimeter. Then volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 of the sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 remain as it is. Pi value is not given, so you are taken 22 upon 7. Here is given, I think it is 3.14, pi value 3.14. Radius is 3 centimeter. So cube, pi r cube formula. So r is equal to 3. That can be write 3 into 3 into 3 because volume is cube. These 3 divided by these 3. Okay, so these 3 and these 3 cancel. What is remain? 3 3s are 9. 9 into 4, 36. 36 into 3.14. So you are getting 113.04 centimeter cube. I hope that you are understand this problem. If you are not understand, I will repeat it. What they want? They want volume of the sphere. What they given? They are given diameter. So what is the diameter given? Diameter is 6 centimeter here. So its radius is half of the diameter. You know very well. Radius is half of the diameter. So radius is half of the diameter. So 6 divided by 3, you get 3. So radius is 3. Then volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 remain as it is. Pi value 3.14. Radius 3 into 3 into 3. Then these 3 cancel with these 3. So what you get? 4 into 3.14 into 3 into 3. When you are doing that multiplication, you getting answer 113.04 centimeter cube. Why it is cube? When we are finding volume, then unit is cube. Then we are going to see problem number 3rd. Find the total surface area of cylinder. Here is this problem is differ. Here is you want to find a total surface area. Find the total surface area of cylinder if the radius of its base is 5 centimeter and height is 40 centimeter. Okay, so total surface area you want to find out. So first you can write what you are given. So radius of the base of cylinder is given 5 centimeter. So the cylinder, that cylinder base is also circular, in circular shape cylinder base. Okay, so that radius is 5 centimeter. Then height is 40 centimeter. Okay, so total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Okay, so the total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. So you are substitute the value in the formula. 2 write as it is. Pi value 3.14. Radius 5 centimeter that is given. So 5 centimeter is radius. R 5 centimeter radius plus sign carry as it is. Height 40 centimeters. Here is 40. So 2 into 3.14 you get 6.28 into 5. 40 plus 5 45. So 3.14 into 5 2s are 10. So here is 10. 40 plus 5 45. So 10 is multiplying 3.14. So one decimal point go ahead, it becomes 31.4. So 31.4 into 45. So 31.4 into 45, you get 1413 centimeter cube. Okay. Then problem number 4. Find the surface area of sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Surface area you want to find out. Radius is given. Radius is given here 7 centimeter. Okay. Here is by mistake written 5, but all of my students, this is not a 5 centimeter. See, it is a 7 centimeter. It is done by me by mistake, but you must be remember that students, it is 7 centimeter. Okay, because see, radius is given 7 centimeter. So surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 is remain as it is into pi value 22 upon 7. Radius 7 into 7. So this 7 cancel. 4 into 22 88. 88 into 7. So 88 into 7 you will get 7 8s are 56. 6. 5 is carry. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 5 61. So 616 square centimeter. See, I am again repeat. Find the surface area of sphere of radius 7 centimeter. So the radius of the sphere is 7 centimeter. I again say it is by mistake right by me 5, but it is 7 centimeter. Then surface area of the sphere is formula is 4 pi r square. 4 is remain as of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 is right as it is. Pi value 22 upon 7. Radius r square. So 7 into 7. This 7 cancel with this 7. So 22 4 are 88. So I write here 88 into this 7. 7 8 are 56. 6. 5 is carry. 7 8 are 56 plus 5. 61. So 616 square centimeter. Then problem number 5. The dimension of a cuboid are 44 centimeter, 21 centimeter, 12 centimeter. It is melted and cone of height 24 centimeter is made. Find the radius of its base. Means, are you understand what they are said? They are said they are having a cuboid. Okay, they are said they are having the cuboid. That cuboid dimension 44 centimeter. Dimension means length, breadth and height. That is called dimension. If then some of the students are saying what is dimension? Dimension length, breadth and height. So it is 44 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 12 centimeter. It is melted, so that cuboid is melted, and that cuboid you are making a cone. So that cone height is 24 centimeter. Find the radius of its base. So length of cuboid 44 centimeter, breadth 21 centimeter, height 12 centimeter. So the height of the cone is 24 centimeter. So let the radius of cone be r. So cuboid is melted a cone. So volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cone, because volume is same whether it is cuboid or whether it is cone, because the why it is same, volume is why same, because cuboid is melted and that cuboid melted you are making a cone, so volume is same. Okay, because there is a cuboid, that cuboid is melted and that melted cuboid you are make a cone, so volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cone. So volume of cuboid L into B into H, length into breadth into height, length into breadth into height, volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h1. H1 why? Because here is also height, so this is cone height, so that can be mentioned by h1. Anyone doubts here? Then substitute the value 44 L, length breadth 21 centimeter, height 12 centimeter, 1 upon 3 remain as it is, pi 22 upon 7, radius we want to find out, so it is r square, h1 24 centimeter, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, so 8 here, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, so 8 here. Okay, so 28 8s are 176 divided by 7. So this is 44 into 21 into 12. So this denominator go across, it become numerator into 3 into 7. So 22 remain as it is. This is a numerator that go across denominator. 24 is numerator that go across denominator. So 3 1s are 3, 7 1s are 7. Is it possible to divide? No, it is not possible to divide by 7. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. You are getting 8. So 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Such a way you divide 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. So here is remain only 21 into 21. So 21 into 21 you get 441. So taking square root of this, because you want to find out radius, so taking square root 21 into 21, square root is 21, so radius is 21 centimeter. Such a way we are completed the 5 problems in today's lecture. So whatever you understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework. But a washing tub in a shape of frustum of cone has height 21 centimeter. The radius of circular top and bottom are 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. Find the capacity of the tub. So here is the frustum given. So instead of this homework, remember the students, instead of this homework you are finding the volume of cone, volume of cuboid in the problem set 7. Okay, in the problem set 7. This problem I will solve you afterwards. Problem I am not taught to you, so it is not possible to solve this. So remember that in problem set 7 you can take find out volume of cone, volume of cuboid, okay, such a way. Only that you can find out volume of cone, volume of cuboid. You are stay home, stay safe. If you like this video then like it, and if till you are not subscribed then please subscribe the channel. You share this video with your friends and say to them like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.